Good afternoon. Thank you everybody for being here today. I am Muhammad Irfan, have done my PhD from Northwest University. I have worked in Department of Geography, Government College University Lahore during 2021 to 23. Currently I am engaged as postdoctoral researcher in Henan University, China. Meanwhile, I also enrolled in PGD in GIS and RS in Government College University Lahore. I am thankful to Dr. Shakil Mahmood, Chairperson, Department of Geography, for providing us this platform and opportunity. Today I will discuss about cartography, past and future. What is cartography? According to Oxford English Dictionary, cartography is the drawing of charts or maps. It is art, science, and technology. Art, which means skills, taste, or aesthetics. Science, which means accumulation and accepted knowledge that is organized and formulated with respect to general truth and general laws. Technology, which are expertise, equipments, or tools employed. It can also define as the graphically representing a geographical area, usually on a flat surface such as a map or chart. The method through which maps are studied, created, and designed. We can also say creating maps, which are graphical representations of geographical areas, landscapes, or any other spatial information. Cartography is the process of designing and creating maps. Its purpose is to visually represent the world in a most commonly two-dimensional way. It takes into account not just the geographical features of an area, but the topographical, geological, political, and sometimes religious and economic features as well. Cartographic process involves the data collection. Cartographers gather data from various sources, including survey, satellite imagery, geographic information system, and remote sensing technologies. The second one is data analysis. Cartographers analyze the collected data to determine how it should be represented on a map. And the third one is map design. Cartographers design the visual layout of maps, including the selection of colors, symbols, labels, and other graphical elements. Cartographic techniques. Various techniques are used in cartography, such as contour mappings for representing elevation. And the last one is map projection. Cartographers often need to transform the three-dimensional Earth surface on a two-dimensional map. In ancient times, cartography was the practice of creating maps and charts before the development of modern cartographic techniques and technologies. But it was a much more simple and limited field compared to modern cartography. In old ages, it referred to ancient art and science of creating maps and charts, using early tools, techniques, and knowledge available at that time. Cartographers typically relied on simple instruments and devices, along with observation and survey. These early maps were often less accurate and they were mostly used for navigation, exploration, military planning, and representing known regions. The historical cartography tools and techniques played a crucial role in the evolution of map making. Here are some of the cartography tools of our past. Compass, an ancient tool for determining direction based on Earth's magnetic field. Astrolabe, a navigational instrument, was used for measuring the altitude of celestial bodies. Sextant, which measured the angle between two objects using a pair of mirrors and movable arm. Crossstaff was a simpler instrument used for measuring angle, particularly the elevation of North Star or the Sun above the horizon. Calipers were used to measure distance on map allowing for more precise scaling of maps. Pantographs was used for copying and scaling maps by hand, helping cartographers replicate and resize existing maps. Quadrant used to measure angles, including the altitude of stars and celestial bodies. Ink and pigments used to add details and colors in maps. Geodetic instruments like the theodolite and transit were used to measure the Earth's shape and size with high precision. Photogrammetry, a technique that used to overlapping aerial photographs to create accurate topographic maps. Straight edges was used to create straight lines and edges on maps. Modern cartography refers up-to-date practices and technologies used in the creation, analysis, and dissemination of maps. Modern cartography continue to evolve with advancement in technology and data availability. It plays a crucial role in many fields including urban planning, environmental management, disaster response, transportation, and navigation, as well as in everyday activities such as finding directions or locating nearby business and services. In the modern age, cartographers use a wide range of advanced tools and technologies to create, analyze, and disseminate maps. For example, Geographic Information System software is a fundamental tool for modern cartography. Global Positioning System technology consists of a network of satellite and receivers that provide precise location data. Remote sensing, satellite imagery, and aerial photography provide high resolution images of the Earth's surface. Digital elevation models are digital representation of elevation. Light detection and ranging lidar technology use laser to measuring distance to the Earth's surface, producing highly accurate elevation data. High resolution imagery provide cartographers with detailed views of Earth's surface. Computer-aided design software is used for precise drafting and drawing of maps. Drones equipped with cameras and lidar sensors can capture data for mapping purpose. Web mapping platforms like Google Maps, Mapbox, and ArcGIS provide tools for creating and sharing interactive maps on web. Cartographic software such as Adobe Illustrator and QGIS provide tools for designing and editing maps. Spatial analysis tools help cartographers to analyze spatial relationships, perform calculation, and derive insight from geographic data. Real-time data feeds modern maps often integrate real-time data, such as traffic condition, weather update, and social media posts. 3D mapping software allow cartographer to create 3D visualization of geographic. Cartography and maps are used in every aspect of life. For example, researchers use map to show different visual aspects of Earth. In urban planning department, maps are used for land use planning, zoning regulation, transportation network, and infrastructure development. Maps are used to analyze and monitor environmental resources, track biodiversity, identify habitats, and study the impact of human activities on the environment. Civil engineers use maps for designing transportation systems, locating infrastructure projects, surveying, and site analysis. In emergency management department, to assess risk plan evacuation routes and coordinate responses during natural disaster or other emergencies. Maps play a significant role in the tourism for guiding visitor attractions and planning. Business use map to analyze market trends, identify target demographies, plan distribution networks, and determine ideal locations for store or facilities. Maps are important for military operation, strategic planning, and intelligence analysis. Maps are also important for navigation purpose. They help with route planning, navigation aids, and optimizing travel efficiency. A political map can help to determine regional socio-political patterns that influence group activity and government outcomes. Geologic mapping is a highly explanatory, scientific process that can produce a range of map products for many different uses, including assessing groundwater quality and contamination risk, predicting earthquake, volcano, and landslides hazards, characterizing energy and mineral resources. Topographic maps are an excellent planning tool that guide at the same time, help to make outdoor adventure enjoyable and safe. Some ancient maps served as religious and cultural purpose. Maps are also used to manage and exploit natural resources. In simple words, we can say maps are used in every aspect. Thank you for listening.